Well, I'm back. No more did I finish my latest up-to-date leak video of the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Then we got an update from Jasper Ellens at Twitter. My goodness. What's going on, Jasper? The one, the only, the infamous Jasper Ellens right here. Check this out. We have 3 new dates from DJI. Forget May 10th. Let's go back to May 5th. That would be tomorrow. There's going to be, number 1, an announcement. Then on May 10th, number 2, second date, we are going to get to pre-order your DJI Mini 3 Pro. What? Pre-order? I want my drone, DJI. And then the third and final date will be May 17th. That's when they will start to ship. So you probably won't start to see drones delivered to anyone's houses until the 20th and beyond. Oh my goodness. I don't know about you, but I am feeling very anxious. I want my DJI Mini 3 Pro. Tell me how you feel in the comments down below. And if you haven't seen my video from earlier, I leaked 2 new products, accessories for the DJI Mini 3 Pro that I think you might want to check out. And if you want to stick around for one of my other videos, you can check that out right here.